Our wine bottle boxes and carriers are made of sturdy, durable corrugated board, with a variety of attractive colors and textures. They hold between 1 and 3 wine bottles. There are windowed and non-windowed varieties, some with a die-cut carrying handle. Multi-bottle carriers feature customized inserts to hold your bottles securely in place. They ship and store flat. To assemble, start by pre-creasing all the folds. Then bring the front and back side together, folding the side flap over them and inserting it into the box base. Turn the box around and do the same on the other side. Now the base of your box is complete. Pre-crease the folds and perforations of your insert. Fold your insert and embed the locking tab, then place the finished insert into your box. This creates a stable platform for your wine bottles. Insert your bottles into the box or carrier. As you can see, the insert holds the bottles securely in place. Close the top of the box, then fold in the tab lock closures. Visit splashpackaging.com to see more of our durable and attractive wine carrying options.